Make the most of your Kinetic Internet with our Kinetic Wi-Fi Management feature. It's all in the palm of your hand with GoKinetic. Kinetic Wi-Fi Manager is a free tool that gives you the power to personalize and control your home Wi-Fi all in one place through GoKinetic. It's easy to access and use. Start by downloading the GoKinetic app or access GoKinetic online and choose the Internet tab. Wi-Fi management features include the ability to view and change Wi-Fi network name and password, enable a guest network and invite guests to join, view connected devices and signal strength, perform speed tests, and reboot or restart the gateway. In addition to our free Wi-Fi Manager, our family of Kinetic Secure plans offer additional award-winning security features that let your family safely surf, school, work, and more at home and on the go. It's the perfect enhancement to our Wi-Fi Manager. The Kinetic Wi-Fi Manager requires a Kinetic-provided compatible gateway. GoKinetic allows you to access your account to manage your Wi-Fi, view and pay your bill online, and more. It's the fast and easy way to manage your entire Kinetic experience. Get started by visiting my.gokinetic.com or download the GoKinetic mobile app from the Google and Apple App Stores.